Not allowed to touch us.
We mean you no harm. We want no harm in return.
We're just trying to help identify.
I hear you.
I just sense an unwanted channeling, unwanted channeling happening with David. That's why I get protective again.
No, please protect him.
We'd like to communicate with you, but the routes you're currently choosing, they're not as comfortable for us as they are for you. What?
Deep peasant?
What does that mean?
You want to use fear as a tactic, and that's not going to work in this situation with us.
Sorry.
It's not going to happen.
Sorry, not sorry.
Yeah, sorry, not sorry.
Feeling that I had gotten from another case we had at Manila School, I'm just thinking, oh, here we go.
The whole energy kind of changed, and David was needing assistance.
What we considered a grim. So we experienced this wolf-like, black dog-like thing at Manila School. That's I'm getting some of that vibe. You guys remember that?
Yeah.
The black wolf.
And that instantly started to change the investigation around.
It was very much a good practice in shielding.
David was a mess.
Did you say wolf?
I heard wolf.
No, really?
I heard wolf.
And the old foe, it rose its head, and it found its target.
Watching wide-eyed, like, what the heck? So, amazing.
When I was able to protect myself from this thing, I saw it head towards one of my teammates.
Okay.
I really...
There was a growl.
I have a hard time understanding evil. That's very hard for me.
You were summoned by something that should never have been created.
Come on now, now you should be able to walk out. Come on, come on, come with me, come with me. Good job, go, go, go. Good job.
It was attacking me. It was saying hurtful things.
Okay. You good out here? Just emotional?
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely a nasty sucker.
Take the opportunity.
Seriously, I almost got to the point where, like, when I just, like...
We're about to give in.
Yeah, I really was.